Welcome back, everyone. Saturday, July 22nd, 3:10. The Yuma. The beach is back. I'm gonna go get Jack and fly the drone, probably. Let's make a little short beach walk for in front of the public area. But it's pretty super packed down there in front of the Papa's. I'm gonna try to go downtown tonight. See if it's as packed last night. Tonight it is gonna be last night, tomorrow night. You know what I'm talking about. See if it's as packed tonight as it was last night. Yeah, but the sun really never came out. Just kind of overcast all day, and still get burnt, so wear your sunscreen. These guys got a big old swan thing out here trying to ride it in the water. Not too many waves, as Castro said. Not very many waves this weekend. Well, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll try it tomorrow. We'll see. See how it goes. Hoping to catch these guys on that flamingo though. Crap, we're just a little bit too late. Maybe we'll go back out there. The beach isn't super packed, but it's pretty packed. I mean, it's more packed than normal. It's gonna be in like 70 plus degrees, I think, somewhere in there. So it's pretty nice. You guys out in the water trying to catch some waves. I was hoping to catch flamingo, but I can't see really too much they're gonna catch out there. It's pretty wild. Not too many big waves. There's a couple breaking over there, I guess. Yeah, I was hoping to catch that guy riding the flamingo. There he goes back up through there. Just back right here in front of the public parking. Try to fly the drone in a little bit and get a little bit of view from the sky. It's a little bit nicer. There goes that soccer ball, Mexican flag one. Beautiful, gorgeous day though. No sun though. I haven't seen the sun really too much all day. Just overcast and beach weather. Beach weather. Overcast all day and tiny little waves. Not really enough to catch anything. These guys are out there trying to get a couple. But I don't see too much happening. You should have been maybe able to catch one of them, but it's harder than you think. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. We hit 5,800 today. So thank you guys for all that. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers and all the people who continue to watch the channel all around the world. We appreciate each and every one of you. Our channel will grow. It just takes time. It takes time. I just think I built a nice base. Have a nice base channel. Yeah, probably not too much happening in the wintertime, but it's always those burrito nightlife and stuff going on, and Baja Beach Fest coming up. Everything. There's always party and stuff going on here. So I think any time of year is always the perfect time. We always have pretty much the same temperature, except for this last winter. It was a little bit wettish. Lots of rain, which I've never seen in years. So I don't know. I think it's going to be a beautiful winter this winter, though. I hope it's going to just be like San Diego 70. San Diego 70. That's what seems like what about it is. San Diego 69, 70 degrees all the time. And I don't think it's always beautiful though. Pretty much same temperature, give or take a little bit. We don't need no air conditioner, although we have one. Just turn on the fan or open the window, turn on the little heater for a couple minutes, and you're good. You're good to go. You don't need nothing else. I think Monday will be a good trash pickup day because so many people here over the weekend, and starting to see a little bit of trash, like cigarette boxes and things. I'd like to see that. So maybe my buddy gave me a little picker upper trash thing, so I just had somebody to hold the bag. I have to pick up anymore, bend over anymore, have to pick more trash. But we'll go get the drone and fly around and see what we can see from the sky. Probably about the same thing, but it's a beautiful, gorgeous beach pack day, so never ending for me. I gotta run knee knocker one of these hours in the day because he deserves to be exercised, so I'm gonna have to do that. So on to exercising blue. Thank you guys again, and hopefully we'll see you again downtown this evening. Beach is packed everywhere.